Ratio compares two numbers. We write ratios with a colon, or a with a dash. Say, I have 5 watermelons and 3 mangoes. My ratio of watermelons compared to mangoes will be 5:3. There is no need to convert ratios to fractions because ratios are the simplest forms fractions. We can write the watermelon and mango example from the previous slide as 5-3 instead of 5:3. Say I have 10 watermelons and 4 mangoes. My ratio of watermelons with relation to the mangoes will be 10:4. But, it can be simplified by dividing 10-4, that is 5-2. So, we get the ratio as 5:2.